welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making a 3D carved Thin Mint cookie cake. It is Girl Scout season and I cannot resist a Girl Scout cookie. Not just a cookie, a whole box. So this is going to be the first of a series of the Girl Scout cookies that I am going to be turning into my version of cake. We are going to be building the cake up like a normal cake, then carving it and laying it on its side to give it the effect of cookies coming out of the sleeve. We're even gonna wrap this cake in foil to make it look like the packaging that goes around the cookies in the box. It's not only gonna look like the Thin Mint cookies, but it also tastes like Thin Mint cookies because we are making Thin Mint cookie buttercream to fill the cake with. It smells so good, it smells just like the cookies, and again, I'm so excited because this is only the first of the Girl Scout cookie cakes. There are more to come. It's gonna be together in a whole series of videos, so leave a comment down below and tell me what your favorite Girl Scout cookie is because I would love to hear from you guys, and maybe I'll be turning your favorite Girl Scout cookie into a cake. To begin, gather the ingredients necessary to make one batch of chocolate cake. You can find this recipe down below in my description. Start with all of your dry ingredients in the mixing bowl. Add in all of your eggs, oil, and vanilla extract. Continue mixing on low. Once those ingredients are combined, slowly stream in your milk and mix on low until fully incorporated. Finish it off by streaming in your hot water and mixing on low until combined. Be sure to scrape down the sides of your bowl if needed, and once again mix until completely smooth. Next, we will prepare our 8-inch pans by lining them with parchment paper and spraying them with oil. Weigh 1 pound into each 8-inch layer. Bake at 325 for approximately 35 minutes, checking throughout the entire time. Repeat these steps until you have 6 8-inch layers. Once your cakes are finished baking, you're going to want to freeze them, preferably overnight, but if not, at least 4 hours, just so that they are completely firm when it comes time to build. While our cakes freeze, we are going to make our filling. Find this recipe down below in my description. Begin by beating your softened butter on high until completely smooth. Scrape down your bowl and then add half of your powdered sugar, mixing until completely combined. Scrape down the sides again and add your second half of your powdered sugar. Mix to combine, scrape, and then add your melted chocolate. Now you will add your peppermint extract. Beat on high for 1 minute and loosen up the buttercream with a bit of heavy cream if necessary. Using a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin, crush 1 sleeve of Thin Mint cookies. Add the crushed cookies to your buttercream and mix until combined. Your filling should be quite firm but spreadable. Moving on, it's time to build our cake. This cake is going to be built and carved to look like a sleeve of Thin Mint cookies lying on its side. So think of each layer as one cookie in the sleeve. Again, make sure your layers have been frozen before you begin to build this cake. Stack up your layers with an even amount of filling between each one. Roughly crumb coat your cake with the remaining filling. Now, place the cake in the fridge and set until completely firm. Once firm, we can begin to carve our cookie sleeve shape. Cut down one side. This will eventually be the new bottom to our cake. Continue carving, creating the ridges of the cookies. Once you've finished your carving, make sure to chill your cake in the fridge until completely firm. With a bit of buttercream, stick a long sheet of foil onto our half sheet board. Once our cake is firm and chilled, lift it up and set it on its side. Using Swiss Meringue Buttercream, roughly crumb coat around the ridges of the cake. Once roughly coated, it's back in the fridge to firm up once again. You can find a link on how to make my Swiss Meringue Buttercream down in my description. Now we will roll out brown fondant to cover just the face of our cake. Trim off the excess. Roll out another long rectangle of fondant to cover the sides and top of our cake. Mold the fondant around all of the ridges using your hands and a sculpting tool. Imprint the dots you would find on the face of a Thin Mint cookie. Using a paintbrush, paint the cake with water to give it a nice shine and finish. Wrap the foil up and around the cake as if it is the sleeve of your Thin Mint cookies. Watching. If you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I had such a great time creating this cake for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. Keep in mind that this is only the first of a series of Girl Scout cookies that I will be creating, so stay tuned, and I'll see you guys soon.